excavator the engineering vehicles. In this video, we will learn more about the excavator. We will learn excavator body parts first, and then we will learn how the excavator useful to us through fun and animations. Let's get started, kids. Let's assemble the excavator. First, we shall fix the first body part. Yes, we have fixed it. Next, we have to fix the wheel part. Here, yes, we have fixed that too. But we have to fix the arm. Yes. Fourth, we have to fix the bucket. Yes, that's the right place. Hooray, we have fixed it. The excavator is ready now. Hey, hi, excavator. I need a help from you. I want to build a small pond that contains many cute fishes and lotus. Can you able to do this? Only with your help I can able to do that. Yeah, honey bunny, I can able to build that pond. Now we have to collect the sand or soil. We have collector and put it on the truck. The truck moves on. Now we have to collect the rocks. Can you see any rocks, kids? I couldn't be able to find. Kids, help me. Can you able to see? Oh, it's very difficult for me to find. Oh my god, I have found. Now again, we have collected and put it on the truck. The truck goes. And also there are some things in the road I have collected and put it on the truck. Now again, the truck moves on. To take that wood, we have removed the bucket and we have attached the hook to pick the wood. Yes, again the truck moves on. Now we have to attach the droops. Because you could see 3 large rocks. We have to cut it into small pieces. We have to place the droop on the center of the rock so that it can cut it into small pieces. Small pieces of rocks. Yeah, we have cut out the first rock. We have cut out the second rock. Yeah, kids, we have cut the third rock too. Now again, we have to remove the droop and we have to attach the bucket to take all of the drops. I'm trying to collect this. Yes, I'm collecting all the rocks and put it on the tracks. Oh my god, it's very heavy, kids. Oh, I have collected all the rocks and put it on the truck. Now we have to dig the pond. Sorry, kids, we have to dig the sand or soil to make the pond. Now I have done the first part. And I'm have completed the baking process, kids. Now, we have to fill it with water. To fill the water, we are using water pump. So, you could see a wheel here with the green color arrow marks. We have to wheel it to fill the water in the pond. The water is filling slowly in the pond. It's filling. It's filling. Yeah, kids, it's filled. Now we have to decorate the pond with lotus and some grasses. I'm gonna pick some lotus, kids. Shall we pick it, kids? Lotus, grass, green, trees. Okay, now I'm gonna fix the lotus now. And some grasses too. And blue fish. And the yellow fish. And the pink fish. Yeah, it looks amazing, guys. Oh, Excavator, thank you for making this cute pond for me. Thank you so much, Excavator.